Welcome to Joy Deep Vlog. This is not my
Out of the United Nations here in Bangkok. So it is an honor for me on behalf of the Colombian Embassy in Thailand to welcome you, young representatives from all corners of the world, gathered.
Alright delegates, so okay, so we've got very limited amount of time. We're going to give you 1 minute to send whatever you have done, or we won't be able to discuss the draft resolution.
Hold on.
So we might as well not discuss it at all rather than just look at it on the surface. So you've got 1 minute tops to send both resolutions.
Okay, who's the sponsor?
Russia.
And their side. Russia and?
Germany, Mexico,
And yours. Okay.
Keep checking the mail. They've not mailed you yet. But
for night market and then for dinner or drinks, depending on the situation. Thank you very much. Have a safe flight if you guys are flying out, and we'll see you tomorrow. 300 cheers for WHO. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
होटल में खाए
sunrise. How did he know that she was so right? I know that diamonds can be unwise when you're young. We are the 16 sons of the lost and last generation. Always right or wrong, but we sing the song about all we used to do until the break of dawn. Was born into shade, yes we are here to stay. From the top of the mountain we lead the way. How did she know that he was so right? You sat together at sunrise. How did he know that she was so right? I know that diamonds can be
they say Jumelang, hello, how are you? And then we say, Rite.
And here's the latest weather report.